In a small American town called Riverton, there lived a young man named Ethan Brooks. Ethan was smart, talented, and full of big dreams. But he had one big problem. He gave up too quickly. If something didn't work on the first attempt, he quit. One summer, the town mayor announced a challenge. Whoever repairs the old wooden bridge in the forest will receive $10,000. Many people tried. No one succeeded. Ethan thought, maybe I can do this. If I fix the bridge, my life will change. He picked up tools, walked to the forest, and started working. The first day, his hammer broke. The second day, it rained heavily and washed away his progress. The third day, one plank snapped under his feet. Frustrated, Ethan threw his tools and shouted, "This is impossible. I'm done." He began walking away. But halfway back, he found an old man sitting on a rock, watching the river. It was Mr. Harper, a retired engineer known for building bridges across the state. Mr. Harper said gently, "Why are you leaving, son?" Ethan sighed. "I tried, but everything went wrong." The old man smiled. "That's how you know you're on the right path." Ethan frowned. "How can failure mean I'm right?" Mr. Harper replied, "Because every valuable thing in life tests your patience before it rewards you. The bridge isn't your challenge. Your mindset is." These words hit Ethan like lightning. He returned to the forest. Day after day, week after week, he worked. He learned. He failed, he fixed, he improved. Slowly, the broken bridge came back to life. One morning, the mayor visited the forest and stood in shock. The bridge was complete. Strong, steady, beautiful. Ethan stood beside it, covered in dust, but glowing with pride. The mayor said, "Son, you didn't just rebuild a bridge, you rebuilt yourself." Ethan finally realized success comes to those who continue, even when they are tired, discouraged, and uncertain. The difference between a dream and reality is persistence.